If you've lost access to your Userlytics account and cannot retrieve it through your email, follow these steps to recover your account quickly. Step 1. Visit the Userlytics login page. Go to the official Userlytics website and navigate to the login page. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the account recovery process. Step 3. Enter your username or phone number. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Follow the instructions sent to your phone. If you entered a phone number, check for text message with recovery instructions. Follow the prompts provided in the message to reset your password. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the login page and enter your username and new password to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Userlytics account without needing access to your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Userlytics support for further assistance.